Hey, what's new at Wonder Workshop?
Interesting.
The ability to share programs. Let's take a look. If you have a key code, it's easy to bring up the Save project. Go to the My Projects dialog. Tap the down arrow button in the upper right of the dialog. Then a Download Project dialog will appear. Tap in the text field area and notice a keyboard will pop up. Enter the key code into the text field, then press the Download button. The shared file will now appear in your work area. You can play through your file by pressing the green play button in the lower left, or if you want to save this new program, you can hit the orange Save button. And this new project will be saved with your other projects.
That's cool.
That's all there is to it. Have fun using Blockly to create additional profiles and to share your projects.
Fantastic. Goodbye.